Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about the division of f of s by s. That is when we have to divide by s. So now if we divide by f of s, therefore we're going to be integrating from 0 to t f of t dt. So that is what we are going to be doing. So now we have two examples here today which we are going to use to practice the formula that we have here. So now the first one, let's dive in. We are going to have the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s squared minus 9s. So now moving on, we have the inverse Laplace transform of this. We see s is common here, so we can just break it out here. This is going to give us inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s into bracket s minus 9. So from here, if we can just ignore the s over there, we are going to be having something resembling something like this. So we can just impute it. We are going to ignore the s over here, and we're going to be having this as the inverse Laplace transform of s minus 9, which is going to be equals to e raised to power 9t as our answer. E raised to power 9t. So now that I've gotten this, imputing our s back into the denominator, we are going to be integrating it from 0 to t. So this is inverse Laplace transform of 1 over into bracket s minus 9. That will be the integration of this from 0 to t e raised to power 9t dt. And this is going to give us, if we integrate e raised to power 9t, we have e raised to power 9t e raised to power 9t over 9. So therefore we are going to be having this as e from t to 0. So the first one will be e raised to power 9t over 9. Then we have minus e raised to power 0 over 9, which is going to give us 1 over 9 in big brackets e raised to power 9t minus 1, because e raised to power 0 is going to give us 1, and this is going to be our final answer for that. So now let's move on to our second question. Let's move on to our second question here, that we have as 2 over into over s this. So first of all, we have our inverse Laplace transform of into bracket 2 over s open bracket s squared plus 16, as it is this way. Let's close the bracket. So now this would have been better, right? If we only had s squared plus 16, then we are going to be having something like this, which would be good, right? So let us ignore the s that is in the denominator here, so that we are only going to be having s squared plus 16. And now this we know is equal to 4 squared. So this is equals to minus inverse Laplace transform here, and also 2 is equals to is a constant. We can bring it out. 2 times inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s squared plus 4 squared. So that is that. Yeah. Then we have this now is going to give us whatever we have, s 1 over s squared plus k squared. So this will be equal to 2 then times 1 over 4, right? That is 1 over k. So therefore this will be equal to 2 over 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Therefore this is going to be equal to 1 over 2. Then all this is going to give us sine 4t. So now that I've gotten this, the s that we ignored, what happened to it? We are going to have to integrate it from t to 0 in order to get our answer. So therefore, if we integrate sine 4t from t to 0, if we integrate sine 4t from t to 0, we have integration from 0 to t of 1 over 2 sine 4t dt. Bring this constant out, you are going to be having 1 over 2 integration from 0 to t of sine 4t dt. And we're going to get 1 over 2 into bracket. No, we don't even need the bracket. Sine 40 is going to give us minus cos 40 divided by 4. For those that are good at integration, so we have minus times minus cos 4t divided by 4. Yeah? Because the integration of sine is equals to minus cos. So therefore, we have from t 0 to t. So therefore, if we bring this, we will be having 1 over 8. Now, if we let's bring our minus outside. So we have, if we impute t, cos 4t still remains. And if we impute 0, we have minus cos 0. But cos 0 is equal to 1. So you can just say that this is equal to 1 over 8. This is equal to 1 over 8 into bracket cos 4t minus 1. So therefore, this is going to be our final answer. This is going to be our final answer there. 1 over 8 cos 40 minus 1. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment so that other people that are interested in this video can be able to view it. Thank you very much.